Check out the all-new 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning, Ford's pure electric pickup truck. Drive up to 500 kilometers on one charge. Check out the front. Lots of storage in the front of the vehicle. You can even fill this compartment with ice and drinks. There is also lots of charging ports. Ooh, beautiful lightning badge. In the box of the truck, there is a 9,000-watt generator, and there is a 240-volt plug and 4 120-volt plugs. So much power. And the best part is the games that are on the 15-inch touchscreen. Maybe next time, Red. Come test drive a Lightning at Hanson Ford today.